Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where we're gonna try and style these a couple of pieces and you don't want to miss it, so you're gonna have to stick around and see what we got here. And before wasting any more time, let's just get into this. Welcome to this video, and please remember to subscribe and all the good stuff, and leave a comment. That will be really helpful. Enjoy the video then. See whether we can play around with some of them and just see how they're gonna fit. Just basically how we're gonna do it. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So the first item that we got is this. So this is like a very cool wide-legged jeans, if you like wide-legged. It's wide-legged. I'm hoping that it will just fit right, because then I don't have to take it back, and I don't like taking things back if they look really well. And so, because I'm gonna do styling also, I'm gonna try and style it with this and see how it goes. So yeah. This is how it looks like. It is super, the jeans are super tight, and I can also feel my stomach come out, but it looks really good. I think this is what I always wanted to do. I just find some jeans that I can wear with anything, and they just fit right. So now the only problem is we're gonna have to get some shoes. I mean, get some shoes, so that's like, it's not gonna be a problem. The only problem is that the jeans are kind of tight, and you can see my whole body coming off the side. So yeah, probably not get comfortable, but it's really good. Now we're gonna style it with some shoes and just see how it goes, and see if there's something that we can work with. So we have these shoes. They're like white trainers, long white trainers. I hope everyone else does, because it's so easy to style, and it's just easy. I'm gonna style them in a minute, and then I'm gonna show you how they look like. But I'm really good. I feel so comfortable in the jeans. The only problem is that they are just a little bit tight, but they hang the bum so well, so that's a plus. And I guess the final look. Not yet. Final look. This is the final look. So the jeans still have the tag ons, and the tag is £18, which is not a lot of money. It's like a size 6. So I realize every time I go, if you're sort of my size, every time I go to buy anything in Primark, if I buy a size 8, it becomes very big. So I was trying to look for an in between 8 and 6, which I've never seen a 7 unless somebody else has. And then they can let us know if they have. But I have barely ever seen a size 7. So these look like it could be the size for me. I'm not very sure, because I think it's too tight around the waist. And it doesn't have any buttons to like move the buttons so that it's bigger. But it really looks good. Like has the right places, and then it's wide on the right places also, which is good. And I think because I've lost a bit of weight, I'm not very sure, they fit a little bit better. They could have been tighter. They could have not even gone past my thighs. So it's a good thing. So if I wear them like this seems like a good outfit. So easy to wear anywhere. I'm happy with this. Now we're gonna look for a bag, because I mean, why not? And this is also from Primark. Primark has very good things. Like, you could just style it anyhow you want. But this is how I'm gonna style it. when I'm going out, and you can wear jewelry. I'm gonna try jewelry because I did buy some. So we also got this. These are earrings, just normal earrings, nothing much. And see how it looks. For the earrings, they're really cool. Like they can fit your hair, and it might just look very cool when you're walking. Like it's super cool, super nice. The whole outfit is say 20-30 pounds. Not too bad for making it look like this. And if you don't have your hair, you can wear your jewelry, more jewelry if you want. So we're gonna try this. You also got this from Shein. It's only £3. And the earrings, £5, so not so bad. The only problem is that the earrings and everything tends to wear off so easily. And I went just normal, like a watch, a salt. So this is the final look. It's such a hassle to just put it together, I know, but I think the bag is a win. I mean, gonna keep it, so why not keep it? It's just, it fits your phone, whatever you want to keep there, your makeup, whatever you want to keep here, it will fit. So that's a good thing. So we're gonna go on to the next thing. On to the next thing. So the next thing is this outfit. It's silky, satin material, and I just thought, wow, that's really good. Like the trousers are so good, and I think you can wear the blouse with the jeans. I'm gonna try them with these jeans on and see how they look. They might look good. Who knows? So we love this. It's like really nice outfit. You can wear it anywhere. You can just look at just the earrings, the necklace, all bound together. And we have the bag. This is a bag that we got, which you can wear the bag however you want. I'm not very stylist. I'm not a stylist. I just like to buy things and try them on, and it's gonna fit me the way I want it to fit. And I think for this, we're gonna try some heels on. I don't wear heels very much, but you're gonna try and see. So nowadays, so still very unsure. Maybe sell the trousers with something else. But because the color of the shoes goes so well with the pants, maybe it could be something we can try. So the other thing that we got is this dress. I am not very sure now whether I like it. Hence the tag on the back. It was probably something like 25 pounds. Okay, fine. So this is very expensive, but obviously it's, I don't know if that I would wear it just because I don't like the back. I don't like the back. I love the jewelry, everything else, but the dress, probably no. I really don't like it. It's just not me. It doesn't feel right. But anyway, I know somebody else would probably wear this and they'll look very beautiful, but it's just not for me. No. This is how the dress looks like. I've worn it with the same heels because I think they're so flattering because my color is brown, so they sort of look good. Don't worry about all the so many things happening now. But I love the dress. This one is better. I can't tell why. It's about £26. It's white, it's cotton. But I think I would wear this because it's white. And I don't know why brighter colors just tend to match so well with my skin. So that's why I probably wear this. Not the blue one though. I think and like that. This also works. I love it. I love it because I think it would work. Um, it can work. It can work with this dress. Yeah, and then we have this one. This other dress is also a maxi. I don't know why I went for the same sort of dresses. It's super nice. I'll probably I just wear it without a bra because I mean, why not? Why not? But it's super comfortable and it's I like the way that it's free and you can just rhythm it. Um, yeah. So that's it for today's video. If you did like it, please subscribe, like, comment, whatever, all of the other good stuff. But we'll see you on the next video. Bye.